I'm going to remove this fiberglass shower install. Everything's cleared out. I'm going to take the drain out. Okay, somehow this drain comes up. There's the notches here. I think this is the tool you put across here and it twists. Pretty sure. So I'm looking at the drain. This looks like it's all one piece all the way down. So I bet you it's got a nut on the bottom. I'm gonna go down look at that. And it does. And it looks like it's straight PVC all the way down. So it's just a nut with a lip up there. So I gotta get that nut off. So now looking at this, it's going to be easier, I think, just to undo that and take the whole trap, lift it up and out. Or I could cut that vertical tailpipe piece down, or I could even just do it after the fact. But rather than try and get that nut off now and get the drain out, it's all garbage anyway. I can just redo this piece, or I can cut it and put a collar on, whatever, after I take this off. So I'm just going to loosen this, then I'll cut the surround upstairs and lift it out, I think that's the plan. Yeah, it's off. Yeah, so my plan is to chunk this out in pieces. I'm going to have to cut a section out a little above because the bottom hand has to get lifted out, so I can't lift that out until I get space to lift it. So maybe I'll start in the middle and take a strip out and cut the seats out and see how it goes using the Ocillating Tool. I'm rethinking this drain. That PVC can't go all the way through, and if you look, here's a little ridge there, so the PVC comes up to here. This thing probably does spin out. It has to. I think either way I'm taking the whole thing out and I'll deal with it when it's out, but there's definitely a ridge there. This is it's gonna take some effort to get out. Cutting, more cutting. Looks like this is reinforced with wood here, some cardboard here, and a double layer back behind there. Oop. Double layer there. Okay, a little progress now. Let's see how thick that is. Okay. Progress. Was making sure I didn't cut too deep there. I had some leeway, I guess. Didn't want to hit that pipe, so. Okay, enough with the oscillating tool. Taking too long. Some of this stuff is pretty thick. And use a reciprocal with the demo blade. Reciprocal saw much better. It rips through this. I thought it was going to be thinner. It's thick. It's the wood. Okay, chopping away at it. It's easier to cut it than try and rip it out because it tucked behind the drywall there. And I'm using the oscillating tool by the pipes, and I'm going to be careful on the top because I can't quite see where the wires are. I don't want to cut the wire, the light. Getting there. Piece by piece. Got it out. As a little bonus, keep watching. I end up putting in a Swanstone shower surround with sliding glass doors. I also have to reframe the ceiling, redo the drywall. I don't show all step by step, but I show some progress along the way. See what it looks like step by step. But again, I don't show all the how-tos, but you do get to see a few steps in the finished project. So stay tuned. Just a couple minutes. Update. And the biggest news, I redid all the copper, I resoldered it, and nothing leaks. Time to close up the wall and update. The walls are in. It's done.